Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bonfida. Bonfida is still struggling to break out this very big down channel, and in today's analysis we will take a look whether is there any possibility that Bonfida will soon break out this resistance or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me to begin with this my previous trade setup that I recently shared on 16th of July with my members at the Patreon, when Bonfida completed a harmonic bullish reversal setup, and this was a bullish Gartley pattern. And you can see at that time it was moving inside the buying zone. And by the way, this chart was formed on this pattern was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart, and you can see it was moving at 1870. By the way, this setup was formed with Bitcoin pair, therefore I'm telling you the values in Bitcoin. And the buying was from 1906 and goes to 1851, and our sell targets were from 1982 and goes to 2063. But this pump was really very big. You can see it rallied from 1870 to here. That was a really huge pump from 1870 to 4850. That was more than 150%, approximately 160%. Very huge pump. Now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then we can see that despite a big pump against Bitcoin pair, it was more than 160%, but it is still not able to break out this long-term resistance of the down channel. And you can see it was entered the channel here. This channel formation was started here back in September 2021, and we have several touch points at the resistance, several touch points at the support as well, but so far Bonfida is not able to break out this resistance. And once it will be able to break out this resistance, then our next resistance will be approximately here at $1.30. That will be a key resistance there, even after breaking out this resistance of the channel, because previously it was breaking as a support here and as a resistance here on this weekly time frame. Therefore that can be a big trouble for Bonfida to cross at this level. But once it will be able to cross at this level, then we can achieve this target very soon. That will be $10, the top of the channel. However, from here up to this resistance, you can see that will be also in itself is a very big move, because right now we are moving approximately at 51 to 52 cents, and this resistance will be at $1.30. Now if we take a look at the different oscillators, like here I have placed the RSI oscillator, the relative strength index, and the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that since we have received this buying signal from very deep of this oversold zone, and it is still in the oversold zone, by the way, you can see once it will be able to cross up this line that we have at 20 level, then it will enter the body of this stochastic. But so far it is still in the oversold zone, and you can see that we have reached the resistance of the channel. Therefore I am expecting that this time we will be able to break out this resistance. And you can see that the RSI is also moving inside this oversold zone since after 25th of April. Now if we take a look at the smaller time frame on this hourly time frame chart, then previously I showed you this descending triangle. When we broke out and we retested, we had a pump and we retested the previous resistance of the triangle as a support, but this retest was failed and we could not start the next pump, and we broke down the support. But here we had another support at 47 cents. You can see we have formed a double bottom here, and after forming a double bottom here at 47 cent support, we had a very big pump. Recently we had this pump, and after this pump we are again dropped down, and here Bonfida has formed another ascending triangle. Previously we had this descending triangle. This time we have formed this ascending triangle, and we have broken down the support of this ascending triangle and confirmed this breakdown by retesting the previous support as a resistance, and now we are again moving down. Now if we take a look at the target for this triangle to the downside after this breakdown, then our target is again very close to this support where we have already formed a double bottom that we have approximately at 47.5 cents, and the target is at 48.2 cents. And for example, if the price line will be recovered back and breaks out this resistance, then it can move up to 56 to 57 cents. Now if we once again take a look at the resistance of this bigger down channel, then you can see that we have this resistance approximately at 58 to 59 cents. Therefore there is a possibility that if the price line will be recovered back and it will break out this resistance, this horizontal resistance of this triangle, then it can make a powerful attempt to break out this resistance of the channel. And after this breakout, I'm expecting an imminent move up to this resistance of $1.30. However, so right now we have broken down this support. Therefore it is possible that first we may test this support of 47.5 cents, and from there the price line will have another reversal move to the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.